Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to your geography class. In the last module we have learned about the atmospheric temperature. Continuing with the same topic, in this session we will learn about heat zones. How temperature varies from place to place. The Earth is a huge planet as it is a spherical in shape but flattened at the poles and slightly bulging at the equator. Most of the sun rays are on the part of the equator. So, the Earth has a larger circumference at the equator. Naturally, all the places on the earth do not receive the same amount of heat from the sun, while the equator and the regions near it receive direct rays. Sun rays become slanting as we move away from the equator and towards the poles. The regions at the center of the earth receive most of the sun rays directly. Let's have a look upon the different heat zones. Includes Earth can be divided into three different zones on the basis of the amount of heat received from the sun. Every zone get the radiations in the different manner. The different heat zones are, let's learn one by one. The first is torrid zone, the second temperate zone, and the third frigid zone. Let us learn a little about the position and the climate of these heat zones. The one is torrid zone. Let's learn the first zone. The torrid zone, also known as the tropical zone, lies between the equator and the tropics. That is, between the equator and the Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere and the equator and the Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere. It provided the location of the torrid zone. It extends from 0 degree to 23.5 degree in each hemisphere. The temperature in this region is quite high. That is why it is called torrid zone. The word torrid means intensely hot. It is considered to be the hottest region. The region experiences heavy rainfall, high humidity, high temperature, characterizing equatorial type of climate. So, let's have a look upon the second zone of the earth, that is temperate zone. The temperate zones receive slanting rays of the sun and are neither very hot nor very cold. The north temperate zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle, and the south temperate zone lies between the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle. The climate in these zones is moderate or temperate. The third zone we have is the frigid zone. The frigid zone are intensely cold zones on the earth. The word frigid means very cold. The north frigid zone lies between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole, while the south frigid zone lies between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole. Being at the poles, the frigid zone get very little sunlight and warmth of the sun. The ground here is largely frozen most of the time and is known as permafrost, which means permanently frozen ground. Thus, the heat zones are located on the globe as the torrid zone 23.5 degree north to 0 degree 23.5 degrees south. The temperate zone 23.5 degree north to 66.5 degree north and 23.5 degrees south to 66.5 degrees south. The frigid zone 66.5 degree north to the North Pole and 66.5 degrees south to the South Pole.